I greet you, fellow Ugandans. This is Gilbert Olanya, the Member of Parliament from Acholi. Today I'm coming to you with a very heavy heart, purposely on what is going on in our land, Apaa. Fellow Ugandans, I have never seen such a greedy, a determined government ready to deny its citizens land rights. What is going on in Apaa currently is that the government of Uganda is determined to grab the land belonging to the community of Apaa. For the last 4 days, the government is concentrating in burning houses of our people, in killing civilians who are in Apaa, in destroying properties of the community. Unfortunately, upon killing, burning houses, they do it in the name of the Madi community. They pretend to be Madi community and do atrocities on the people who are living in Acholi land. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the price we are paying as a community of Acholi. Let me illustrate to you. On the 2nd of December 2023, the 4th Division Commander went to Apaa and told the community that people of Apaa should leave Apaa land immediately. And when he met the community together with the RPC from the West Nile, they arrived during daytime. Immediately they left. Burning houses started seriously. As a result, 8 people were burned alive. They all died. You can see the dead bodies. The picture you are seeing is the photo of a man and a wife who are burned alive. They all perish. They went to the house where the children were sleeping. They burned the house. All the children died. Ladies and gentlemen, we cannot afford to live in such a country with merciless people, greedy people for land, as if they are going to stay forever and use this land forever on earth. Our people are being killed in the name of the Madi community. I appeal to you, my brothers and sisters from West Nile. Don't allow your name to be used. Now we have discovered that there are planned people who are moving and given bows and arrows and pangas to kill the Acholi community. But they are not the Madi that we know. It is a planned move. On the 3rd December 2023, the 4th Division Commander went back again to Apaa and directed the community of Apaa to start organizing and leaving the land that belongs to OA and National Forest Authority in quotes. The 4th Division Commander was instructed to make sure people are not there in Apaa. Now he moves like a rebel. He moves in a numberless official cars. He is determined to kill people who are living in Apaa. But it is a matter of time. It is a matter of time. Unfortunately, they think that they are going to finish the Acholi who are living in Apaa, not knowing that we have so many tribes who are living in Apaa. The Acholi people are very welcoming. From the 8 people who were killed 3 days ago, we have 2 people who are Langi. 3 of them are Bagandas. 1 Banyankole. The rest are Acholis. Now they think that they are wiping out the Acholi as a tribe. But it's unfortunate. They are blindfolded. They don't know that in Uganda, people stay anywhere and in any part of this country. Now they are killing other Ugandans. Fellow countrymen, it is quite serious. And as I speak now, me as Gilbert Olanya, they have planned what to do on me. The DPC of Amoro have arrested 1 man from Amoro Trading Center who went to the police and told police that they have 5 guns, and those guns were all given by Gilbert Olanya to kill the RDC of Amoro, the Gisu of Amoro, the Gisu of Amoro. Look at that nonsense. They went to the house of that young man and they got many rounds of bullets in his house. Now they're saying investigation is going on. Fellow countrymen, as the Acholi, we are paying the price. My brothers and sisters, we are now paying the price. Look at how our people are being killed with bows and arrows at the watch of the soldiers, at the watch of the security personnel. It's a matter of time. It's the matter of time. The Acholi people, it's a matter of time. I call upon you, my brothers and sisters. I can now see the tears you are in. Your houses are being torched. Now you are sleeping in the bush. You are being beaten by rain. I can now see how your relatives, your friends, are being killed like dogs. I can feel your tears. I can now see how your properties are being burned down. You have nothing to eat. We have become slaves onto our land. This is the price we are paying to this government. I can see how your houses, how your clothing, and all foodstuffs are being burnt down mercilessly by the government of Uganda. I can feel it, but it's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. The Bible says there's time for everything. I know one day, one time, the Acholi people and the people living in Acholi land shall be free. Take heart. Take heart. It will come to an end. It's a matter of time. We are being fooled. We are being duped. This is the price we are paying as the Acholi people. They will plan to kill all of us. They will plan to destroy us. But God will never let these people perish in such a useless manner. I thank you, my people. Let's take heart. It's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. I thank you.